my shirt, but I'm not going to. I need something to wear that I can cut a hole in. No, let's just go. What's that?
I had scissors in my pocket.
Alex! Hi to the pants can. Why is your camera in my pocket? I mean, why is my camera in my pocket?
You don't think it's that.
Totally fake.
How you doing, Martin? You crazy Italian prick. Well, you cheap bastard. I should have known you'd come in. I was having such a pleasant day. That's what you do, man. You some poor blind guy out of his money. Gave him the wrong chance. Who's the head?
Something hasn't happened. This is so funny. They didn't even look at us though.
So close to making it too. So close. Not over yet. Yeah, I think it is. Now the only thing I need are my codes, which, judging from your text messages, you have been so sweet as to enter them into your phone just for me.
What's up?
You think you're gonna carry the phone with me to
How's the movie? Cool.
Yellow, peanut, blood,
Okay,
and
bye.
jelly. What's up, man?
Okay, my family is really stupid. No one noticed.
Were they the interesting ones?
Yeah.
I'm not even in your family.
I know. Okay. Ew! I just touched a spider web. These pants are really uncomfortable.
That was like epic failure. You told me it was hot.
I know. I wish I would have worn it on my head. Just because they didn't notice.